Hello dear children, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Dear children, do you remember that in my last lesson I have discussed the names of some of the kitchen utensils? Yes, I hope you remember the names. Dear children, in my today's lesson, I shall be discussing few more kitchen utensils. So, are you ready to learn the names in English? Let us begin our lesson. Have a look at the first image. Yes, dear children, can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is a very common kitchen utensil. Come on. Repeat after me. This is a pressure cooker. Please say once again. This is a pressure cooker. Now the next utensil. Can you tell me what is this? This is used for frying. Can you tell me? Yes, I hope you know it now. Come on, please repeat. This is a frying pan. This is a frying pan. Okay, now the third one for all of you. What is this? Can you tell me? This is not a frying pan, but this is a saucepan. Please tell once again. This is a saucepan. Okay, do remember the difference between a frying pan and a saucepan. Now can you tell me what is this? This is used for boiling water, isn't it? This is a kettle. Please repeat once again. This is a kettle. Once again, this is a kettle. Okay, and what is this? This is used for grating vegetables, isn't it? So we call it a grater. So please repeat once again. This is a grater. This is a grater. And can you tell me what is this? This is very common. This is used for making rotis, chapatis, yes? So this is a rolling pin. Please remember the name in English. This is a rolling pin, okay? This is a rolling pin. And so we all know what is this. A rolling pin is there, and now this is a rolling board. Once again, please repeat. This is a rolling board. And so you can together say that this is a rolling pin and a rolling board used for making chapatis and parathas, isn't it, children? Rolling pin and rolling board. Dear children, can you tell me what are the new words that you have learnt today? Yes, do send me the names as soon as possible. Till then, keep practicing and take care. Bye-bye.